first, given the position function of an object, let's s equal f of t equals t cubed minus 9t squared plus 24t. As you know, velocity is going to be the derivative, so it's going to be s prime t, which is 3t squared minus 18t plus 24. I've taken the liberty of factoring all this out, which you want to do in these problems, because you want to find out when v changes from positive to negative or negative to positive, in which case it does here at t equals 2 and t equals 4. Next, acceleration, that's going to be the derivative of the velocity function, which is going to be 6t minus 18, factored out, that's 6 times quantity t minus 3. So acceleration changes sign at t equals 3. First question, when is distance increasing or decreasing? That's what those arrows mean. Set v of t equals 0 to find out when object changes direction. So s is increasing when velocity is greater than 0. Basically, we're saying we're going farther away from the origin or the beginning point when velocity is increasing. So that's when t is less than 2 and t is greater than 4. That's why I factored out originally. When is displacement decreasing? It's when velocity is less than 0. So that's 2 is less than t is less than 4. Next question, when is velocity increasing or decreasing? Velocity increases when acceleration is greater than 0. So that's when t is greater than 3. So that means velocity is decreasing when acceleration is less than 0, which means t is less than 3. The penultimate question, when is speed increasing or decreasing? Speed increases when velocity and acceleration have the same sign. Note this, will probably be on a quiz or test. Speed decreasing when velocity and acceleration have different signs. I've taken the liberty of showing velocity and acceleration in terms of signs vis-a-vis certain times. So for velocity, between 0 and 2 it's positive, between 2 and 4 it's negative, and then greater than 4 it's positive. Likewise for acceleration, between 0 and 3 it's negative, and then greater than 3 it's positive. So for t being between 0 and 2, velocity is positive, acceleration is negative. That means speed is decreasing. Between t equals 2 and 3, velocity is negative and acceleration is negative, so speed is increasing. Between 3 and 4, velocity is negative, acceleration is positive, so speed is decreasing. When t is greater than 4, velocity is positive, acceleration is positive, so speed is increasing. The ultimate question, what is the total distance covered in the first 5 seconds? So we need to find out when motion changes from positive to negative, and between the first 5 seconds, that's going to be at second 2 and second 4. So from t equals 0 to t equals 2, motion's positive, so we want to find out f of 2, which is 20, so it's moved 20 units to the right in a positive direction. So from t equals 2 to t equals 4, motion's negative, moving in a negative direction to the left, so we want to find out f of 4, which is 16. So basically it's 4 units to the left. So far it's gone 24 units. From t equals 4 to t equals 5, motion's positive, so we want to find f of 5, which is 20. It moved another 4 units to the right. So basically we want to find the total units traveled. Not that, oh, it's at point 20 now, but it's moved 20 originally, and then 4 to the left, and then 4 to the right. So total movement is 28 units.